So, hey YouTube fam, we're back with part 3 of revamping a man's tee into a cute chic outfit. So, instead of me babbling on and talking about why bacon can't taste like pencils and pencils can't taste like bacon, let's get started. So here is the t-shirt from Walmart. This is a 3XL. And it's way much bigger than I am, so it's more than enough fabric to use to create this outfit. And it says, everything I know I learned from Sesame Street, so I thought that was a cute logo on it. Let's get started. Supplies. Our handy dandy magnet with our needle and thread. A box of bobbins if you want to go with more colors. Extra thread because you don't want to be running out of thread. Some random nonsense or garbage. And our trendy sewing machine. If you don't have one, remember needle and thread and hand sewing is just fine. Alright, let's get started. So we have our shirt. So the best thing to do is turn it inside out. And do your body measurements so it'll fit properly on you. And I have a longer video that shows the full length tutorial. It's just in this one I noticed that on that video I didn't show myself like actually wearing the outfit, so I just wanted y'all to be able to have a cute video that shows you how to crop. Sorry video cut. So this is the final look. I just wanted y'all to be able to see the before and after, and I am in love with this look. You can wear this to the beach, you can wear it out, and no one really noticed that it's like a t-shirt that was transformed unless they seen the shirt at Walmart. So go out there and be the queen that you are. And if y'all have any things that y'all have done, please post it, pictures, so I can see. I think this is so cool. Reconstruction t-shirts. And we're gonna make more videos. Just tell me what you're interested in. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We love you all. Bye.